The Senate today passed the bill to postpone local government elections until 2022. As it was in the House of Representatives, the bill got support from both sides, even though opposition senators raised questions. The bill seeks to temporarily modify the Representation of the People's Act to postpone the local government election until at latest February 27, 2022. Leader of Government Business in the Senate, Kamina Johnson-Smith, listed COVID-19 concerns, infrastructural damage due to rains, and the cost to fund both as a challenge. However, opposition senators had a different view. Firstly, Senator Lambert Brown suggested it's a political ploy as, for the period, JLP mayors were now in charge of divisions without a councillor. Government Senator Charles Sinclair rubbished that idea, indicating that the same applies for municipal corporations with a PNP chairman. Senator Damian Crawford questioned the postponement of local government while the general election was allowed to happen during a spike in COVID-19. He also questioned the reason behind the proposed one-year delay.
Are you suggesting by saying 2022 that is your expected period for the reduction in the spike? There must be some basis of a date. Because if you think that this is going to extend, business people need to know. Hoteliers need to know. People with family overseas need to know that this is our projections.
Our task during this pandemic is to ensure we balance lives and livelihoods, Mr. President. And at this stage, both will be protected by delaying the holding of the local government elections. And we haven't said it will go all the way till February, but we have said you need the room because you, just like Senator Crawford, couldn't say exactly what will happen.
The bill was passed with no amendment. It will next be sent to the Governor General to be signed before being gazetted.